Okay, recording. Okay, so uploading new file, and then even if it's a new import, we can choose this option for existing items. Then anyway, new items will be added and existing ones will be just updated. WooCommerce products.
So we always hit existing items?
Yes.
Okay.
Step 2 is should be loading the called import template. No, not yet. In step 2, you would need to click on the results. So here you should see this 12 or 1600 products and see the structure for each product, not like thousands of product styles. You need to click on the results field. No filtering, yes. This is the option to filter maybe only some products for a bigger XML file. Then step 3 is the definition of the import. You can see the action template.
And does it matter that the
what's that?
there was something that was misspelled? Like I think results had an extra S in it
For the XPath?
Results.
Hello.
It took whatever was in the XML file. So I guess it's maybe the XML file itself.
Okay. But that's not going to be an issue, is it?
It should not be an issue. Yeah. I mean,
Sure.
not here during the new import, but when modifying the file for a previous import, that's. I mean, it was not an issue in Dev 1, so.
Okay.
So here in the step 3, you just select from the template and you're correct. I did not upload the one, this February one from,
Right,
from
from Dev 1. So select the template that you assign.
Yeah. It can be exported from there and imported here, or we can just modify it here. I guess there shouldn't be any other changes, but so this one is loading this last used import for the main site, right?
Right.
Okay. Browser's getting slow. And you see, there are some differences because there's only a name without manufacturer. Not sure if that's correct for main site right now.
Right, so we understand. So then we upload the template, the correct template with, the finalized template, or a version of the finalized template, I should say. And then we'll upload that and then just hit the continue to step 4.
When you upload, if you don't do any changes, continue step 4. If you modify anything, you can just change the name of the template here. So in step 4, this is just a confirmation to, I guess, to just review the options and click the start. Oh, that's it's a new step, I think, is it? No, maybe that one was before. First product ID, merging into existing products. Next step is the final one before importing. This is just a quick look for all these options and just clicking import and run.
Right.
Okay, so here we cancel that. Yeah, we're not gonna import it.
Right.
Yeah, that's the things you remember in settings in all import. There's that option to export import the templates.
Okay. And then you said the only other thing to really look out for is the variation in colors.
Yes, I mean, if you delete everything and import fresh set from XML, it will not happen. And then just the next XML import, just reuse the existing import, just upload new file. Okay, here are the files, and so I guess, well, something from 2015, maybe you can clear up, George, when you have a moment, and delete those. And import template is the option to import the one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and then Conrad, so for the other XML, the part 1, so do we need to do anything for that one? Or that hasn't been touched at all, right?
Hasn't been touched. Yeah, let me. So like, this is the one I modified. There's, I mean, this one, right? The one.
Yeah, this one.
That one, you know, can be imported somewhere in the WordPress, but I haven't figured out a way how to use or display that. Yeah, I thought you wanted to display it somehow under each product.
So
this information.
Yeah, I guess the product would be tagged if it has it, or it includes it by SKU, because it has benefits, but it only displays the benefit one time.
Yeah, that's something.
Yeah, could we also do this one? Because the rest of it, the landing pages all use this.
I'm not sure if I got the information from you, because this is, you see like a few fields separated by this line. I'm not sure if this is like a product ID or category ID. Not all of them supposed to be displayed in one piece, right?
Sorry, what was that?
Like you see, Michael, there's some fields separated with this line. Not all of this is clear description of the product or category, right? Yeah, here there's another one, number 15.
I guess the number 15 is the ID. The next one is the name. And then the next one is the description. And after that is the image for that benefit. So each one is listed in that order: ID, name, the description, and then the URL of the image, of the icon.
Yeah, like this is, but is it ID of what?
Of the benefit.
Benefit header, okay.
And then in the other XML, I think it has the ID, or probably the name.
I get it somewhere. Okay, so benefit. Here. One more of this.
Great. Okay, great. Thank you.
So you mean like one of these fields in the product benefit?
Yeah, so this one I guess is blank. But the next one, the fabric benefit, it has number 24, number 17, number 25. And then the next one, the brand, is number 75. So then it displays number 75.
Which one it should display from this file? all four of them, or this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
average?
So the benefits, the product benefit and the fabric benefit, those can be multiple.
Hmm.
Yeah, it can have, so one product can have like, usually I think we're like up to 8 of them. But like the brand, each product can only have one brand. But they could have multiple like ink types or product benefits, fabric benefits.
And so, yeah, I mean, so there's one more thing, because from XML we need to import it to some kind of an object in WordPress. So like a hidden post or hidden category from which we could read that information. Like the other XML is imported into products within WordPress, right?
Right. So wouldn't you need to alter the import template to display brand information based on the manufacturer and I suppose a tag? For example, like short sleeve plus manufacturer.
Yeah, but I'm trying to think where. So I guess the goal is that these benefit informations are not repeated in each of the products, right? Also, they could be, just the whole XML would be a lot bigger.
Yeah, right.
So there's one more like intermediate step needed, that this needs to be imported, or maybe in that what was the plugin, the table press. Because yeah, okay. How about because maybe XML is not needed for those headers, you know, because you are using the table press plugin anyway.
Yeah.
You can import straight from XML, from XLS, from Excel, or from CSV files. So this could have new tables like the pricing information tables. You know, yeah, you can import table.
I guess if there's a format I can work with Steve to create it in.
It's almost as CSV, you know, just use comma instead of that straight line, not XML but just CSV. Because he should be able to export it to CSV.
Because I get it out, it exports it first as a text file, and then I'm opening the text file in Word and saving it with UTF-8, encoding, and then switching over.
But this initial text file is already kind of XML.
The original text file?
Yeah. I think I can try. I think on Windows I was able to open XML in Excel, but on Mac it may not work correctly. Maybe this one is small enough that it will work. At the end, we could explain to Steve that to export these parts as, this is saying on Mac it's not valid file. Just export it as a regular Excel table or CSV file.
Okay.
Then I could import it to table press, and from there, it should be easier to get the information and display for each product.
Okay, cool.